Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to copy and paste files on Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. So let's start by opening the File Explorer. Let's get to some directory where some files are stored, for example, screenshots. I definitely have some files here. Okay, so let's, for example, copy this screenshot. To do that, we have to click on it to select it. We can also select various screenshots at once, various files at once, a lot of text at once. Then we have to click copy right here, or cut if you want to cut this file out of this directory. And after that, you have to click paste icon to paste it into some different directory. Well, to do that, we'll have to go to a different directory, then click paste right here. Now, the other way to copy and paste or cut and paste is to right click the file that you want to cut or copy, file or selection of files, and then selecting copy right here or cut right here. Then we just go to a different directory, right click at any empty space and click paste. And lastly, we can also use the shortcuts for all the previously mentioned functions. So after you select a file, you either have to click Ctrl+C to copy, or Ctrl+X to cut, and Ctrl+V to paste. And that's it. Now, the last feature that I didn't tell you about is the clipboard. To activate the clipboard, you have to press Windows+V, then click turn on to turn on the clipboard. And on the clipboard, you'll find all the recent clips that you made. Then you'll be able to select which one you want to paste into this directory. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.